Lisa, I just wanted to say hi and happy Mother's Day to all the moms out there. I hope everybody had a really great day. I know I did. My morning started off with 2 little kids climbing my bed, which was really sweet. A lot of hugs and kisses. It was pretty special, and I just wanted to say that I feel it's important to take time out of your busy day to express to the ones that you love how much you appreciate them. I know that for me, there was some stuff going on today with the kids that was a little bit of sibling, arguing, fighting. He said, she said, or he did this, she did this. But I think it's important to let them work it out, and it really helps me appreciate all the stuff that my mom went through and the strength that she had to raise us 3 kids up, as we did the same probably for her. But I also think it's important to tell everyone that you love them and how much you appreciate them and how much that you really care for them. I know that as we get really busy during our day, we sometimes forget to do this, but I think it's really important to tell them, thank you, I love you, and thank you for being there for me. What a better gift. I know that 2 of my gifts for my little girl was a card made to Mommy with a little picture of us playing tag. She says she loves how much we play tag. In life, they mean a lot to me, so I'm really thankful that I get to have them, and I'm thankful for everybody I have in my life. So how about you? At the end of the day, what do you look back on? What are you thankful for? It's just an important thought and something I thought I would share with you. So hope everybody had a good day, and if you like this video, feel free to share and to like it, and leave a comment below on what are some of your special gifts for the day. I'll talk to you all later. Bye bye.